How to fix the error 0xc0000022. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix this error code. The first thing that you want to do is open your Run dialog box by pressing Windows plus R together. And on your dialog box, you have to search for regedit. And once you enter, you will pop something like this. Tap on Yes. It will open up your registry editor. And once your registry editor is open, all you have to do is click on this drop down for Edge Key Local Machine, and from here head over to your software. And from software, if you scroll down, you can find Microsoft here. Click on this drop down on Microsoft, and from here you have to find Windows NT. So scroll all the way to the bottom until you find Windows NT. Click on the drop down and drop down on the current version. Now you have to find software protection. So if you scroll down, you will see this right here, software protection platform. Just click on it, and from here you will see this skip rearm option. So just right click on it and click on modify, and here you have to set your value data to 1 and click on OK. Once you do this, you can restart your PC once. Try to restart it, and once you restart your computer, your problem should be fixed. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys on the next video.